Number 3, you're going to solve for x here. These are all proportions that you're going to be solving for. So here we can approach this problem by cross multiplying. Okay, so the 3 times the 21 equals to the other side, which is going to be 7 times x. Okay, 3 times 21 is 63 equals to 7x. Then you divide by 7 to both sides. You are now going to get 63 divided by 7 gets you 9 is equal to x. Right. Here, that negative might throw someone off. So what I do is I just put it to the top value. Let's do b. Let's cross multiply. Negative 5 times x. So negative 5 is going to be multiplied to x. And then you have your 10, which is going to be multiplied to the 9. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Your 10 times 9 is 90. Divide by negative 5 to both sides. You get x is equal to negative 18. Here, same thing, it's a proportion, so we're going to cross multiply. So 6 times, so we can just put that in parentheses, x minus 3 is equal to the other side, 5 times x minus 7. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 is equal to 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. Subtract 5x to both sides. You are going to now get x minus 18 is equal to negative 35 plus 18 plus 18. X is equal to negative 35 plus 18. This gets you a negative 17 as your final answer. Here we are going to also cross multiply for d. 7 times parentheses x plus 3 is equal to the other part, which is 2 times x plus 8. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract 2x to both sides. You get 5x plus 21 is equal to 16. Subtract 21 on both sides. 5x is equal to 16 minus 21, negative 5. Then if you divide by 5 to both sides, you are now going to get x is equal to negative 1. So there you go. Those are all your answers for solving for x. You just had to cross multiply and then isolate the x.